Hi friends, let me show you this new magnetic wireless charger station that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a really practical station because you can charge your phone, your watch, and your earphones, okay? You get all the information, the user manual. Okay. This is the actual charging station. You can see it's really pretty, it's black color. This is for the watch, this is for the phone, and this is for the earphones, okay? You will connect it with a USB-C port. You get the charger. We are going to put it here. And the USB-C cable, okay? Perfect. As you can see, it has these nice colors that you can turn on and off here in this button. So you can have a nice look in the day and then turn it off for sleep, okay? You can charge your earphones, your watch, okay? As you can see. And your phone, you can charge it sideways, okay? As you can see, there it is. This is great for your night table. You can have the clock, the calendar, or you can charge it vertical like that, okay? It's charging. There's no standby mode in vertical, okay? And if you put it sideways, it will go to this standby mode. So, as you can see, it's a nice charger, wireless charger, very practical for your room, for your office, whatever you want to charge your equipment. This is a great option. Thank you.